Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Photos app and click on Collection at the top left corner. Following that, click on Select at the top right one, and then click on Select All at the top right corner of one of those sections. In my case, November. Now, if you wish to keep some of those photos, just tap on the ones that you wish to exclude. And to delete the rest, select this bin next to Cancel at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!